Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to count range in Google Sheets step by step. So let's begin. See this formula 1, all fill cells equal first equal counta A1 A4, or see this manually type A1 clone A4, or use selected range, close round bracket or press enter, or again use numbers only, use only count first equal count C2 clone C4, or again apply the same process 5, press enter. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.